Hello everyone, we are Julia Diaz and Manuel Franco, leading and senior authors of this article called Understanding Differences in the Local Food Environment Across Countries, a case study in Madrid and Baltimore. This is an international collaboration between researchers from the Heart Healthy Foods Project at the University of Alcalá in Madrid and from the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health in Baltimore. The article was published on June 22, 2016 in Preventive Medicine. In order to understand the role of the local food environment, we put together an interdisciplinary group of researchers from the fields of geography, sociology, epidemiology, and public health.
As you can see in this framework, local food environment has been associated with diet quality and diet-related health outcomes. Specific places where we acquire food, they do influence our individual food choices. Therefore, the local food environment is an example of a mass influence on population health. The Heart Healthy Foods study, funded by the European Research Council, studies the impact of the social and physical urban environment in terms of tobacco, alcohol, specifically food, and physical activity on residents' cardiovascular health. For that purpose, we put together an interdisciplinary team that is based in Madrid, where we are very interested in international urban comparisons. Specifically, this article aims to understand cross-city differences in the local food environment between Madrid and Baltimore by comparing average neighborhoods in terms of types of food stores, the healthy food availability inside those stores, and residents' pedestrian access to healthy foods.
We assessed one neighborhood in each city, selecting median areas in terms of educational level, aging, segregation, and population density. Table 1 shows how these two areas represent median neighborhoods as compared to the average value of each variable in each city. Once we had the neighborhood selected, we conducted on-field audits on all food stores. To measure healthy food availability within them, we used the Nutrition Environment Measure Survey in stores. Then, we calculated the Healthy Food Availability Index scores by type of food store. Using a pedestrian network analysis, we also calculated walkable access to food stores with a high healthy food availability score.
As you can see in this map, we found 40 retail food stores in the whole study area in Madrid and 14 stores in the whole study area in Baltimore. Generally, food stores in Madrid were more homogeneously distributed, where in Baltimore, stores clustered around the southwestern part. Corner stores were the most common type in both areas. Small-sized specialty stores represented 30% of stores in Madrid versus none in Baltimore. Supermarkets and medium-sized grocery stores were also more common in Madrid as compared to Baltimore. We found one public market and one farmers market in Madrid and Baltimore. Public market in Madrid was a 3-storied indoor market with 112 booths. This market opens all year round 6 days a week, and only 2% of booths serve prepared food. Baltimore's Waverly Farmers Market is a smaller market. It opens all year round, but only on Saturday mornings. We found that 20% of the booths sold prepared food.
This figure shows healthy food availability across both settings. In Madrid, fruits and vegetables were homogeneously distributed across the whole study area, whereas in Baltimore, this offer was constrained to the southwestern part of the study area. This map displays potential walkable access to high healthy foods in both settings. Madrid, 77% of the residents can access a high healthy food store within a walking distance of 200 meters. In Baltimore, only 1% of the residents can access this kind of food stores within this distance. To conclude, our results highlight the relevance of conducting cross-national comparisons in order to understand differences across food environments in our cities. We need to design interventions different from promoting supermarkets, such as improving existing small-sized food stores or establishing more public markets. Coordinated policies across urban planning and public health supporting more walkable food environments are needed, especially in those contexts relying on private vehicles. The authors would like to thank the European Research Council and the Center for a Livable Future for the support and funding, and Victor Carreño for his photographs.